Namaste and welcome. In today's video, I have 21 easy Hindi words starting with the alphabet O. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and after watching this video, check out some of my other videos. Let's start. Os, Os, dew, or, towards, as in going towards somebody or something. Og, it has two meanings, a lot or current of water. Ope, shine, as in related to face or look. Oat, as in to take cover, to hide. Osht, lips. Ola, hail. Oda, wet. Okha, dry. Ocha, refers to somebody who lacks decency or decorum. Ojas, radiance. Oakley, mortar, as in mortar and pestle. Ojhal, disappear, like disappear from sight. Odak, animal living in water. Odan, cooked rice. Okan, bedbug or lice. Osai, winnowing, as in the process of separating straws from grains. Odhna, to cover body part or body with a cloth, blanket or a sheet, etc. Otna, to pick or separate seeds from cotton. Okana, to vomit. And the last one is oth-proth, which means full to the brim. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.